I changed my hair. Oh my god, I got bangs. I got the wispy bangs. I literally just got it done. And I'm kind of living for it. I kind of feel like a whole new girl. I feel like I can take on the world. It's so weird to like feel like something on your forehead. Like I don't know how like I feel about that. Like it's kind of weird. I go like this and I'm like, what? And I'm like, oh, I have bangs now. So this isn't straight. I'm going to curl it later to see how it looks curled. Well, not later today, probably later tomorrow because I have a lot to do today. But yeah, I just wanted to hop on here and tell you guys that your girl took the leap and decided it was time to get bangs. I have wanted bangs for literally so long, but my dad doesn't like them. So like that was discouraging me, but my mom loves them. My boyfriend was curious on how I would look with bangs. I was curious on how I would look with bangs. I have such a massive forehead. Like, I have such a massive forehead that I felt like bangs would actually look pretty good on me, not gonna lie. Like I was a little cocky about it. I was like, they're totally gonna look so good on me. Why are you parking right next to me? Literally right next to me. Anyway, I totally forgot what I was saying. But yeah, so, okay, I think this is what I was saying. I don't remember. But no, I've been like wanting them for so long. I've wanted to try them. I have a huge forehead. That's what I was saying. I have a huge forehead, so I wanted to see how it would look with bangs because I'm actually really insecure about my forehead, not gonna lie, because it's so big. But I was like, if I get bangs, it would hide my forehead and I might actually look cute. Now I'm literally living for it. I think I look so adorable with them. I do want to lose some weight in my face because I feel like that would look so much better. But I'm actually obsessed. Like obsessed. I still haven't told Cole yet. It was kind of like a spur of the moment thing. I was getting my hair toned before I go on my cruise. And I was just like, you know what, girl? Like, how would I look with bangs? Because I was just curious. I wanted to hear her opinion. I'm sweating. I don't have AC in my car. I wanted to know her opinion, honestly, like, and I said, honestly, please tell me your opinion on what you think I would look like with bangs. Like, do you think I would actually pull it off? Like, how do you feel like I would look with them? And she was like, honestly? I said, yes. She's like, I honestly feel like you would look really good with them. And I was like, are you sure? Like, really? And she's like, yeah. And I was like, just like the wispy bangs, right? She's like, yeah, I feel like you would look so good with them. And I was like, then let's do it. And I was like, wait, am I really doing this? And then she cut it and I was like, oh my god, I can't go back now. And I was so happy. I didn't tell Cole. We talked about it though before, how he wants to see what I would look like with them. I want to see what I look like. So he's on his way home right now and I'm actually gonna go surprise him and be like, hey babe. And he'll be like, and I'll be like, and we'll just see what happens. And I hope like he loves them, because if not, I think I might like bury myself in a hole and cry. But I know, literally, I'm so happy with them and I'm so excited. I'm obsessed with them. I cannot wait to do so many hairstyles. I'm gonna like curl my hair and see how it looks like this, because I've always parted my hair to the side, like right here, because the illusion, like my forehead wasn't that huge and like I just like the way that I looked. Now I get to part my hair down the middle and my curls always look so good down the middle, but I don't feel like a middle part fits me, so now I can actually do it and I'm so excited, guys. Someone's walking past my car. I'm literally so excited. I'm gonna do like half up, half down. Oh my god, that's actually so fucking cute. I'm literally so fucking excited. I'm gonna roll up my window because there's so many people around me right now. I'm literally so excited. I'm gonna do like half up, half down. I'm gonna do like up like that. I'm gonna do like buns. I'm gonna curl my hair. I'm literally so excited. Like I feel so inspired to do so many different hairstyles with my hair right now, and it's like, I'm honestly so fucking excited. So I hope you guys love them as much as I do. I just wanted to pop on here and say I got bangs, like nothing crazy. But yeah, so thanks for watching this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.